Hey there, my name is Helper Wesley, and today I'll be showing you how to export your game from GDevelop and upload it to itch.io. Now that we've created a game, we should do a few things before we export it. So we're going to go to the Properties Manager, go to Game Settings, and open up Properties. We're going to give the game the proper name, give it its version number, change its package name, make sure that you're listed as one of or the only author. Make sure that you've chosen the right option for how the game should expand in a screen. And of course, for mobile games, you want to make sure that you've chosen your device's orientation. And finally, make sure that you've put in a publisher name. One more thing to do too is to give your game icons. All you have to do is click up here, give it a square image, and it will turn that image into an appropriate size for all the devices. Once that's all done, we can export our game. We go up to File, click on Export, and right now we're given two options: Share with Friends, which will give you a link that you can share with your friends or people that you want to playtest the game, or Publish your game. You can build it manually if you know how, but I'm just going to click on the button that gets the engine to build it for you. We're shown 4 different tabs, starting with the web build, which will create a HTML file that can be played in browser. Next is the mobile export, where you can release an APK to be used on devices generally, or an Android app bundle, which is the kind of bundle that you need to submit a game to Google Play. The next type is for exporting a game to Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. And finally, there's instant games, which are posted to Facebook with a Facebook developer account. Now, GDevelop is free, entirely free to use and export from. But there are restrictions for these automated builds because it costs GDevelop money to host the servers that they're built on. So with GDevelop, you get 2 free builds per day for mobile or desktop. If you pay for a subscription to a GDevelop account, you get more exports per day, but publishing a HTML build is unlimited. So excuse me for breaking the illusion for 1 second. Oh no, I'm on a regular old PC. Okay, so we create a new folder, call it Game, or whatever your game is called. Go back into the engine, click Choose Folder, find that folder and select it, and then just press Export. So now all of the game's files are in this folder and ready to go. All you have to do is compress it to a zip folder, and that zip folder is your game. So now we go to itch.io, log into your account first, of course, bring down the drop-down menu, click Upload New Project, and then we just fill in the information. Title, Game, project URL, Game, short description, it's a game, what kind of project it is. I'm going to pick HTML, but you can pick this and also have downloadable versions on the same site. Don't forget to give yourself screenshots and a cover photo. Next we get to Uploads. Click Upload File, find your zip folder, and then submit it. That will load in, and then you've got some options. You can select what kind of file it is. For a HTML file, we're just going to call this Other. Select This file will be played in browser, and then change the viewport dimensions to match the dimensions of your game. And for pretty much every game, I select full screen. And then give it some tags. Ignoring what I just put in there, I do usually put GDevelop in the tags as well. Also, make sure to add GDevelop to your game's metadata. Now down in the community section, you can disable the comments if you don't want your feelings hurt, and then visibility and access determines who gets to actually see the game. If you change it to restricted and give it a password, then you can share your store page with friends and people that get the link, and they'll just need to submit the password to get in. And if you select public, then your page is live, and everyone will be able to find it. I do suggest putting it in restricted first, editing your store page, and then putting it to public. And then finally, to make sure that people can actually play your game, untick both of these boxes. And then press Save and View Page. That's for a HTML build. But let me quickly show you how to do it for a PC build. So we go to Exports, Publish to Store, Make sure that Windows Auto Installer File is selected, and then just click Package. And then you just wait. You'll get this notification here down at the bottom. And if you click that button, you'll get a periodic email that gives you some stats about your game. And if you just click that Windows button there, it will download to your download folder, and then you can go back to itch, edit the game, and click Upload File. Tell it that this is an executable file, select for Windows, and then just save it. Now when you view your page, there'll be a download button just above your comments. But that has been how to upload your game to itch.io. Comment down below and tell us what storefront you want to see uploaded to next time. I have been Helper Wesley, and I'm glad I could help.